from your workflow, let's add in WTR, DRY, or an error mover here in room 1. Let's add in 2 of them here in this room and click OK. Now we just added in our first line item, and we're already going to get some recommendations on the right side. There's 3 areas for recommendations: violations, warnings, and cautions. Violations are big old stop signs. You have to fix this before you can move forward. Now, Dwayne, we are trying to be a sandbox, so we don't have a lot of violations. In fact, you're only seeing 3 here, and really only 3 will ever appear. Warnings, on the other hand, are potential overages, where you estimate it for too much of something to where it might cause some conflict in the settling process, right? An extra phone call here explaining what's going on, an extra email back and forth, that kind of thing. Cautions are just general recommendations. For you, that's where you're going to find a lot of the items that you're forgetting about, right? The items that you're leaving on the table. Cautions, you don't have to interact with if you don't want to. So think cat environment. I'm moving fast. I got to just get this out the door. I could leave 100 cautions sitting there, and it won't stop me from printing the PDF and sending it out, right?
Okay.
So those are the 3 areas.
I'm loving it.